Cocaine? That's one horrible thing to take. My friend Mpo and I tried it. For me, it was a once-off thing, but it got to Mpo. The cocaine had him. It imprisoned his thoughts and emotions. When he had it, he felt like an emperor, a conqueror, a beast among creatures. When you're addicted to cocaine, it controls you. You become devoted to it. It becomes the only friend when days are dark. But I hope my friend Mpo gets out while he still can. He needs to find help before it's too late. But also, the only way he will be healed from the devil that's bothering him is if he's determined. Because after all, we all stand alone against our demons.